guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting unboxing for you guys from the brand called Uoobox. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. They reached out to me and kindly sent me a few items from their shop, which I just realized are all strawberry themed. So we're gonna do a little cheeky spring strawberry unboxing for you guys. They also did provide me with a discount code, so you guys can use code CHEEKYSPARKLES for 15% off anything in their store. I will leave that in the description below, as well as all the product links, so that if you guys want to pick up any of these really cute goodies, you can as well. But let's get started. So I did already peek inside because I just could not help myself. But here is the package. The other side has my address on it. We're not gonna go into that. But so I was gifted 3 clothing things and then 1 pair of socks that were just really, really cute. So I think I'm just gonna start off with the socks. Let's get the socks done. So the socks actually aren't strawberry themed, though there were strawberry themed. So this is the little package it comes in. It's so cute. You can kind of see I wanted the pastel socks. I just think they're so cute, and it's springtime. I'm very excited for wearing like jelly shoes and socks. I think it's such a cute combo. So I died. These are so cute. Look at these socks. They're so cute! Oh my gosh. I'm a big sock person, so I could not resist when I saw these cute little socks. I just love the hearts and the pink, and they feel really nice material. I am excited to style these. These are so cute. But anyways, let's move on to the clothing part. I guess socks are clothing, but like the other goodies of this haul. Alright, so let's talk about the packaging. I love these Ziploc plastic bags. I use them for storing my wigs and stuff, so I actually quite like when they do come in plastic. I know we want to move away from plastic in the world, but I'm like, I reuse it, so like it's good for me. But it has their brand on it, so fashion, Asian fashion aesthetic store, and it also has their website handle on here as well. Again, that will all be left in the description for you guys. But this is really cute. The other side is just clear plastic, and then of course we have the Ziploc. Ziplocs are also just really satisfying. So anyways, let's start off with this guy right here. Oh my god, it's so cute. So this is the strawberry sweater vest. I think it's so cute. It's so pink, and it is actually a lighter like sweater. Like, it doesn't feel like it's super thick. Like, this is really thick. This is actually pretty thin, so I think this is definitely like a spring sweater vest attire. It is so adorable, and the strawberries actually go onto the back as well. I think that's adorable. I love the consistency. I feel like a lot of places would cheap out with that and not put the strawberries on the back as well. I like that they're on both sides. That's really awesome. I got this in a medium myself, and I will put up a little video on how I style it and stuff. So, but yeah, this is just so cute. I love the straws. They're so adorable. This is really cute. I love it. The only thing I'd be nervous with this is I feel like if I get it caught on literally anything, I'm gonna wreck it and the thread's gonna come in, just because of how like thin the sweater is. But I still think it's so cute, and the strawberries are just adorable. I mean, like, look at how cute they are. So I am very excited about this sweater. It is so cute. It is Cheeky Sparkles approved. Alright, the next item on our docket is a strawberry shirt. Now, this is so cute. I've seen shirts like this with like Pokemon on it, but I'd never seen a strawberry one, and this is actually more of like a darker pink than I thought it was gonna be. But it is, ooh, it's silky. I like that. That's so nice. So this is like, and it's kind of an interesting pink, but this is a cute strawberry button-up shirt, and I feel like I can style this so many different ways. And of course, the consistency, they're on the back as well. I feel like for this shirt, they would definitely have to keep the consistency. I would feel like that's super cheap if there wasn't anything on there. It again has the tags and stuff, and it has black buttons. I don't know how I feel about black buttons. I might change that out for like a different color that's on here. I think that's the only thing that really bothers me about this. I don't really like the black buttons, but the rest of it is super cute, and I think this would go really cute with like a white pleated skirt, and like I have a strawberry milk bag. Oh, That's an outfit. Okay, this is really, really cute though, and I feel like a little summery spring picnic, lunch date, coffee date. I think this would just be really, really freaking cute, and like, I mean, look how adorable. The material itself is just, I don't know what it is. It's really nice. There's no loose threads or anything. Everything is beautifully sewn together. I'm like, this is so nicely pressed. I love a really solid like collar part, and it looks really, really nice. It's beautifully sewn together. I'm very happy with the quality of it, so I ain't got nothing to complain there on. It looks really nice. They did use white thread, so that's the only, you can tell that there's white thread, but I mean from a distance you can't. But this is really cute, and I didn't realize, I'm just realizing it. I'm like, they're chocolate covered strawberries. They're chocolate covered, look! That's definitely chocolate, and then like these are like probably little chocolate spots. I think that's so cute. So that is a really cute design on their part. That is absolutely adorable. So I cannot wait to rock this in the spring/summer. I guess it's already spring. We're going into summer. It's already like 19 here, and I'm going on walks in like a t-shirt and shorts basically. So let's move on to the last item. Alright, and last but not least is this strawberry dress. Now, I know some of you know that this is probably similar to another infamous strawberry dress, but it is different, and that other strawberry dress is one that I want to get eventually. But this is a little bit more affordable, and it's different cut and a different shade of pink. But this is it's got like some shearing up here, sparkly dress, and the little strawberries are sparkled on. Now, when I pulled this out of the bag the first time, because I did go try it on and twirl around because I could not resist. It fits perfectly, by the way. But anyways, the strawberries, because they were compressed in the bag, were like sticking together, so I did have to pull a lot of those out, and I was really scared that I was gonna take the sparkles off. But this dress is so pretty. I feel so magical in it, and like, I just want to twirl in this dress, and like the sleeves are like a poofy princess, and it's just so, so cute, and I love it so much. And it was beautifully sewn together. Like the shearing part is so comfortable, and the sleeves are the right length, and everything's the right length, and the hem is beautifully done, and there's no loose threads. Like, that's one of the biggest things I find when I do collabs and stuff, is that I always look for quality, and this is really, really nice. This is actually probably the nicest thing, other than the socks. You can't really, well, you can't go wrong with socks, but like this is just, it's so well done. I love it so much. Like, it has an underskirt as well, which is like this really pretty material is this, but it's not see-through, and that's fantastic. So I feel like, you know, you could wear darker underwear if you needed to with this, but I mean, I would probably still wear lighter, but like you could theoretically, and I love that. It is so cute. So it is just a cross one, and the sleeves dangle off the shoulders. But this is just so cute, and I love it so much. It just makes me feel like a princess. This is so cute. I can't even. I'm gonna live in summer and spring in this dress, so be ready, because I feel like a princess in this dress. I love it so much. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Which was your favorite strawberry item? For myself, of course, it was the dress. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I am going to go twirl and run around in flower fields now. I am just so obsessed. Again, you guys can use Cheeky Sparkles for 15% off your order. I will leave that in the description below, along with, again, all of the items in order will be in the description, along with their website and their Instagram, just in case you guys want to go check them out. But that is all I have for you guys this time. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!